What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what it is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host P5, aka P equals MC squared, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. My beautiful people, it's been a while since you see me against the graffiti background. The sun is out, I'm back in that classic location classical, and boy, it's your boy P Fire. What can I say, guys? It's been a cheeky little while, but you know, sometimes you got to take a little break, you know what I mean, and then come back with a bang, you know what I mean? So I'm back with a bang, so let's get into it, waste no time. Today I have this champion jumper that I've got. I just thought I'd show you a little something. I picked this up in the sale. For the eagle eye amongst you, you'll see that this is a Dover Street Market champion. This is a made in America, you know, sort of heavyweight jumper. We'll get back to that bit in a bit. Anyway, guys, so not much really to show you about this piece other than, like I said, it's a bit of champion goodness. For those of you that grew up in the 90s, like I did, remember Champion was always killing it. Now, of course, Champion have sort of made their way back into the fold. I think they're charging a little bit too extra money, do you know what I mean? Anyway, but that's another story. So this is a Dover Street Market, like I said, collab with Champion. So what we have here is we have that embroidered, and you can see that silver, gold and white embroidery right there with the Dover Street Market in that super silver. You might be able to see the reflection, the shininess, you know, when the sun hits it. Super dope, really nice, you know, for your championship medals, gold and silver. I don't know if you got bronze, sorry, there's no representation here. Anyway, so my beautiful people, not much to say other than this is quite a nice little, it's supposed to be quite a heavyweight sort of jumper. Now, I mean, I'm used to a bit heavier jumpers, so you know, when I opened it, it's got the tag that says this is a heavyweight jumper. I'm not too sure about that. What I can say though is that it keeps the heat in, and as you can see, that sun is out there, and I am sweating buckets. Let me give you a little close-up. Can you see the buckets that I'm sweating? They are sweating buckets. I need a bucket for my buckets that are sweating. But anyway, thank God. I was going to say thank God I got a bit of the old tissue, so there we go. Okay, my beautiful people, not much to show other than, you know, got thin little cuff arches. Again, the build on this is really flimsy, I'm not gonna lie. Yes, it's made in America, which is very dope. Yes, it's Dover Street Market collab, you know, super dope, but it's not really, it's very flimsy. So I'm wondering what the non-made in America and the lighter weight ones are like. They must be even flimsier. Anyway, really nice, as you can see, cuff arches, left hand side, right hand side, cuff arches, you know what I mean? Let me give you 12 to the MC, the 12 RJ, the RJ to the 12. It's been a while since we've done that, you know what I mean? So yeah, not much to show on the 12 to the RJ. Of course, on the old left hand sleeve, you got the classic insignia de champion, which is Champion's classic insignia for those of you who didn't get that. That's in that red, blue and white, America. So super nice. I picked this up in the sale, like I said. I think I picked it up for under 50 quid. You know I love a little cheeky bargain. Wrong weather to be wearing it in, but I wore it because I knew I was going to come film, and I thought, let me wear it so that, you know, I can film and then take it off and then film the rest. You know what I mean? So this will be coming off pretty soon. Really nice, not much else to say. I'm going to take this off so you can have a cheeky little look. Okay, all right, my beautiful people. So I've taken this off just so you can see the label right there. As you can see, it says 9-ounce terry fleece, large, made in USA. Again, this keeps the heat in, so in winter this is going to be a very nice little staple piece, you know. Yeah, I've been wearing this since I've got it, and yeah, it's one of my cheeky little new favorites. Obviously the weather's sort of discombobulated, hot, cold, cold, hot, so yeah, not really sure the best time to wear it, but this weather here, not great. Anyway, this, guys, has been a Champion Dover Street Market jumper. I've been your guy, Sweaty P. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. It's good to be back, my beautiful people. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. Hello. I wrote that song. I think it might be a hit. Anyway, guys, it's good to be back. So yeah, I hope you guys have been well. And yeah, man, I'll catch you on the next episode. All right, stay dope, stay fly, guys. This has been Once We're Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end, an ambulance is flying past. And yeah, I'm your host, P Fire, aka P equals MC squared. Stay dope, stay fly. Catch you on the flip side. Peace.